Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix ChatGPT send button if it's not working. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, maybe ChatGPT right here is thinking, all right, or replying. So you'll have to wait for a moment until this icon use voice is available. And then you can go ahead and type down your query again, and then the send button will be available. So just patiently wait. Maybe you have a long prompt, okay, especially. So you'll have to wait until you see the send prompt or send icon. Now, if that doesn't work, you've waited long enough and the send button is not available, well, you can go ahead and at least log out. Log out, and just log back in. All right. So if that still won't work, it might be a UI glitch, or maybe there's some data in your browser that is blocking ChatGPT right here to work properly. So what do we do? Go ahead over to the three dots of your browser or three horizontal lines. Click on settings. Now find privacy and security. Now first up, click on delete browsing data. Leave cookies and cached images ticked. Make sure that it is set to all time. Click on delete data. Once done, scroll all the way down and find third-party cookies. Scroll down, see all site data and permissions, and then just find OpenAI and ChatGPT. Right? If you find OpenAI and ChatGPT right here, well, all you got to do is just click on the delete button, click on delete. Once that's done, force close the app or the browser, and then open up the browser again, log into ChatGPT, and the send button should work perfectly fine now. That is it. That is how you fix ChatGPT send button if it's not working. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.